Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about amazing things that happen to your body while you sleep. Sleep is essential for good health. In fact, we need sleep to survive just like we need food and water. So, it's no wonder we spend about 1/3 trusted source of our lives sleeping. But while you're dozing, your body's systems are doing lots of crazy things that will blow your mind. Don't worry, they're all normal. Still, you may never think of hitting the hay the same way after reading this. So let's get started. Number 1. Your body temperature drops. Just before you fall asleep, your core body temperature begins to decrease. This is because when you're asleep, your sympathetic nervous system relaxes. As a result, your blood pressure drops, your breathing slows down, and your temperature decreases. This drop signals to your brain to release melatonin, which is commonly called the sleep hormone, affects your circadian rhythm or sleep and wake cycle, and tells your body it's time for bed. Your temperature is lowest around 2:30 a.m. Number 2. You lose weight. Sleep affects your weight by controlling hunger hormones. One reason you should always step on a scale in the morning, not in the evening. You lose water through perspiring and breathing out humid air during the night. This happens during the day too, but eating and drinking while you're awake negates any weight loss. If you're sleeping just 4 or 5 hours per night, you could be canceling out whatever smart diet and exercise choices you're making during the day. To whittle your waistline, get at least 7 hours of sleep per night. Number 3. You get taller. You won't exactly wake up feeling like the jolly green giant, but you do gain height while you sleep. The discs in your spine that act as cushions between the bones rehydrate and get bigger because the weight of your body isn't pressing down on them, like it is when you're standing. If you have a firm mattress, sleeping on your side in the fetal position may be best for getting taller because it decreases the load on your back. Number 4. Your blood pressure and heart rate decrease. Your body's heart rate and blood pressure gradually slow down as you sleep because when you're resting, your body doesn't need to work as hard or pump as much blood, so these systems slow down. Blood pressure needs to dip at night so your cardiac muscle and circulatory system have time to relax and repair. It's especially important for people with high blood pressure to get at least 7 hours of sleep to experience that temporary drop because it reduces the risk for heart disease. And if you have sleep apnea, get treatment right away because that condition can increase nighttime blood pressure. Number 5. Your muscles are temporarily paralyzed. Most people take falling asleep and waking up in the same place for granted, but there's a neurological reason we don't move much in our sleep. During sleep, the body's muscles are essentially paralyzed. Sounds scary, but it's actually what keeps you from acting out your dreams. If this helpful paralysis doesn't occur, it leads to sleep disorders in which people physically act out their dreams and may need to be restrained during sleep to prevent injury to themselves or others. How dangerous it can be to do whatever weird thing is going on in your head in the middle of the night. So this is one type of paralysis you want. Number 6. Time to repair. During deep sleep, your body works to repair muscle, organs, and other cells. Chemicals that strengthen your immune system start to circulate in your blood. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule can keep our skin healthy. Sleep deprivation can contribute to skin conditions like acne and rosacea. It can also lead to decreased skin elasticity and hydration, more conspicuous pores, and reduced blood flow to facial skin. When you are asleep, collagen production in your skin also increases. Collagen is a protein that strengthens blood vessels and gives skin its elasticity. That's why a good night's sleep is very important for healthy skin. Number 7. Sleep and emotions. Sleep is necessary for emotional health. During sleep, brain activity increases in areas that regulate emotion, thereby supporting healthy brain function and emotional stability. When you get enough sleep, your brain responds in a more adaptive way. But if you're sleep deprived, you are more likely to overreact. Research shows that sleep and mental health are intertwined. On the one hand, sleep disturbances can contribute to the onset and progression of mental health issues, but on the other hand, mental health issues can also contribute to sleep disturbances. Number 8. Your body produces a range of hormones while you sleep. There are a number of different hormones released during sleep, all with different purposes. Some of your glands work extra hard at night to secrete hormones that are used both during sleep and after you wake up. For example, your pituitary gland releases growth hormone, which helps your body to grow and repair itself. And an antidiuretic hormone released by the brain under a circadian rhythm which prevents your full bladder from waking you up in the middle of the night, and switches off the need to urinate so often overnight. Your cortisol, the main stress hormone secreted by the adrenal glands, levels drop. Lack of sleep can also mess with levels of the hormones that control hunger. Leptin and ghrelin can change how much you eat and make you gain weight. So, in conclusion, sleep is just as important to your health as food and water. What happens during sleep affects how you think, feel, and function during the day. Good sleep leaves you feeling your best and comes with a range of benefits from a better mood to enhanced learning and memory. And if you're having trouble sleeping, talk to your doctor or a sleep specialist. They can determine the underlying cause and help improve the quality of your sleep.